Beautiful history.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
What's the next time?
So what's the name?
You'll come back to town. We'll go to the church.
That's correct. Absolute pleasure.
Not only to the Baptist church, we're working with this man to make sure that we have our alumni in the community.
I am spaghetti Yoruba. And I'm also commissioner for the city and county of San Francisco, helping them to develop church on Yoruba Island. So we welcome you all here today. I'm from the state.
Okay. Lots and lots of royal friends.
Absolutely. I am from the royal family as well.
Okay. I'll see you guys. Thank you. Oh, what about it? Okay. Whoa.
I've been there.
Thank you.
Greetings on behalf of the San Francisco African American Chamber of Commerce.
Oh, wow.
My name is Bridget LeBlanc. I am the first sworn-in president and CEO in our 54-year history. We advocate for African micro and small businesses here in San Francisco. We welcome you and welcome to San Francisco.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
E.J. Jones, Director of Community Affairs for Mayor Daniel Lurie, who you will meet in the future. Nice to meet you.
Thank
And
you.
welcome to San Francisco.
Absolute pleasure. Absolute pleasure. Thank you for having me. No, it's really a beautiful city how you've got here.
Thank you.
You know,
Thank you.
you've been taking out the magic.
Yeah.
It's like a palace.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, welcome. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please, food, drinks, and they will join us in a few minutes.